Greetings to everyone. My friend asked me this question. You're about to launch Uniteverse. The sooner you join, the more profitable, right? This is a popular question. I thought about how best to answer. Although there is a simple direct answer. Yes, the sooner the better. But this answer will not be complete. After all, we are creating a long-term system in which people who come later will not feel that they are disadvantaged in their opportunities. Over time, there will be more and more interconnections. Metaforce will be a global metaverse with a well-established ecosystem, while we will always offer something new. No one will have any doubts about the true level of Metaforce. No one will need